Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, you people have heard all the story of you or what happened on the podcast. But you people have not heard the other side of the story. Pretender. Yo, stay one place. Stay one place. Now, this is not coming from me, because some people say, Mero True Life Story, why are you talking like this? Now, wait till I hear. Now, they can't tell you now. So, this is not coming from me. Before some people will say, why are you supporting you, or why are you supporting this or that? This is what they said happened in the podcast behind camera. So that part when I see you know, the podcast, everything when he talk was about May Edochie. Juju Ekwensu name was not mentioned in that podcast. The people when he do podcasts, now they do tell person can tell us. They don't they talk say, they don't they talk and say, they will advise Juju Ekwensu to go back to her parents' house. There is no need of her doing anything called marriage. May she just carry her bag, carry her kaya back to her parents' house. She's just wasting her time. Coming from the people when they interview you. According to them, they say the you way they interview is different from that you when people think say they know. They say they will just advise Juju Ekwensu before it is too late. Before she comes to go carry another belle, go say she won't born another pikin. It is best for her to just pack her kaya. May she rarara. They say may she just carry her kaya, go back to her parents' house. It will be the best thing for her. After the broadcast, when they don't remove camera, come on for you face. They don't give us what we want see. They don't give us what we want hear. So after they don't talk finish, program don't end. Then they now started asking you private question, the one way we not supposed hear. So they ask her about May Edochie to tell them more because they really want to know. Because the way people are dragging you, they really want to know. So they now started asking him about May Edochie, the accusation of enlargement of Bobby, flat tummy, plastic surgery and all. They can't ask you. Now you can say none of that is truth. Say now information when you reach ear, now he take talk. But later he can't find out say those things were not truth. And it doesn't make sense for him after he don't talk that because they come out on social media can say that thing not be truth. So he just decide to let go like that. So they can't tell you see, how will you feel tomorrow if you see, because you now, you don't start your life. How will you feel tomorrow if you see May Edochie come marry, come start life, come born children? They say as they all talk that word, you went silent. You know say wear eyeglass, you went silent. You not talk. They come ask and say, how you go feel if May Edochie decide to have a man in her life, to move on with her life? Because they come ask you say, how you go feel in case May Edochie can't move on with her life? You come quiet, you not talk. The man come quiet. They come tell her say, so if May Edochie move on now, for example, she can't still start to display her boyfriend, just the way you and Juju Ekwensu do. Because you and Juju Ekwensu una pepper that woman. So what if May Edochie now have a boyfriend and two of them now start dancing on social media, showing themselves all over the places? How will you feel? He say una had to burst tears. He say una had to come dey cry. This man come dey cry. You tell them say his greatest mistake is Juju Ekwensu. Say his greatest mistake na Juju Ekwensu. You tell them for there. He say if he have anything when he fit take throw Juju Ekwensu out of his life today, he say go do am. He say bet he no fit do am because both of them have come a long way, and there are certain things attached to he and Juju Ekwensu relationship. He say bet Juju Ekwensu is a mistake. He say he can't just believe May Edochie. He no even feel imagine her to see his first love with another man. He said it will be very difficult. He said no. He said he's strong now because May Edochie being single gives him strength. He said the day May Edochie decide to mingle, he said he no know whether he go face survivor. He said that's the facts. He said no go face survivor. He said every day I dey miss his wife. He said May Edochie was everything to him. May Edochie was everything. May Edochie gave him the full support. He never lacked nothing. This woman was there. You tell them, say you don't know the value of what you have until you lose it. He said they try to overcome all these things as a man. He said every silent moment, every time when he dey alone to himself, he said they miss a wife. He said there is no other woman that can take the place of May Edochie. Say no dey. He said when he say wish May Edochie well, he say wish am well. He said but the prayer now make May Edochie not find any man. He said go wound the heart. Now one of the woman there could tell us, but you don't move on. You get wife, you get children. So you don't want your own wife, your ex-wife to move on. You say no. He say you own a mistake. He say no want to make May Edochie fall for that same mistake. He say no. He said May Edochie should remain single. He don't want any man near May Edochie. He don't want to make anybody hurt her. You tell them for that broadcast, say the kind relation, the kind love we get for May Edochie now, he know that the love is over. He know that the marriage is over because May Edochie no won't come back. But he get that distant jealousy of not wanting to see May Edochie with any man. They say you tell them say the greatest mistake na Juju Ekwensu. Say Juju Ekwensu destroy life. He destroy marriage, destroy everything. He said at the very beginning, because of the way he and May Edochie love themselves, he believed that May Edochie will forgive him. Believed that May Edochie will accept him because they love themselves too much. He never believed that this divorce will happen. Never. He said they promised themselves that they will never divorce. He said it's a promise both of them made. He said they promised themselves, now promise what two of them make. He said the divorce was like a storm to him. He said he almost faints when he see the letter. He thought it was a joke. He said he cried. He said he begged his wife. He said May Edochie no, I say he cry. He said but when he see the way May Edochie insists, he said now he start to do Odogu tough man. He said but behind closed door, behind camera, the pains, the feelings are still there. It has not gone. He said he's a bitter man right now. He's a very bitter man. A very angry man. Especially towards women. Because of what happened in his marriage. He said even for courts. He said they begged May Edochie. He said one day for court, when they go court. He said when the judge, they tell him, say, oh God, decide one thing. He say na so he kneel down for where everybody dey. He beg me Edochie. Say he went on his knee. Say he tell me Edochie that was the very beginning when they just started the divorce. He say he almost mad. He said the divorce almost make him mad. He say he think say when they say divorce, now women they affect. He say no. He say men they suffer from divorce well. He said at the very beginning, the man will think, oh, I will be free. I will just divorce. I will start my life. He said even if you have a woman, he said divorce, it hurts. He said so when the judge they shout for and say make your decision, because then he refused to sign the divorce because both of them promised each other that they will never ever divorce no matter the situation. So he was kind of surprised when he received the divorce. So he said he's not going to sign it because of the promise they made to each other. So at that very moment, he said, me Edochie, he said, come kneel down for court. He could start to cry. He begged me Edochie for court on his knees. He said, I could tell me Edochie, say, remember, we promised each other that we will never divorce. He said, now me Edochie could tell and say, remember, we promised a monogamy family. We never promised a polygamy. The moment it become polygamy, all the promises we made for monogamy, all those promises all goes scatter. So according to you, when he tell these people, he say he's regretting every action he take. He said Juju Ekwensu is nothing but a mistake to his life. My people, they say this man called a cry. They say if you see tears, they say you was crying. Behind camera now they tell una so wetin happen behind camera you was crying. The man eye dey red. Dey red. He say he's still walking now. Say una see am now. He still dey waka. He still dey talk. He still dey follow una dey gist. He says because me Edochie is still single. He said the moment me Edochie mingle, he say he not sure whether I go survive. He not sure. He said divorce will make you wicked, become wicked, make you become bitter. He say he's a bitter man. They say you tell them for there say the way they dislike Juju Ekwensu, the way they dislike him. They say you tell them for there say sometimes when he think about the mistake in his life, he say he will just dislike Juju Ekwensu. Will be like say make him buy him. He say now he make him they come up for Abuja. He say sometimes when you just did that Abuja, he go they remember. During the time was with me, Edochie, how they were living peacefully, how everything was going smoothly. He said, if you remember, I will just be like, say, make it buy Juju Ekwensu. He said, sometimes those children where they see, say, forget camera. Sometimes you just tell Juju Ekwensu, say, make it pack herself and the children, make they just come up for parlor. You don't want to see anybody. He said, now so Juju Ekwensu just pack all of them, enter his room. He said, because that moment, his brain go dey hot. He go dey regret every action. He said there was a time he become a drunkard. He said people they carry and they go through it for us for Abuja. He said all those things join when a political career for Abuja no balance. Come outside, instead of her to drink one bottle, he will use bottle, they change bottle. Because he was regretting every action he take with this Juju Ekwensu. They say you cry. He cry. Say, I wish me Edochie fit forgive him today. He say story go change. They say they ask and say, what if me Edochie decide to forgive you? He say we not waste 1 minute time to send Juju Ekwensu packing out of the house. He say he's not going to waste time. According to them, they say the worst thing when you can talk. Hey, before I continue, make I feel welcome now to my wonderful and amazing channel, Mirror True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe in terms of my YouTube channel, Mirror True Life Story. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all massively. Amen. You say, if me Edochie forgive her today, he say he no go waste 1 minute to return Juju Ekwensu back to her father's house. They say you can talk say he just they use Juju Ekwensu. Say by the time if he heal from all this situation, if he feel heal, he say he go find himself correct woman. Say not a woman like Juju Ekwensu. Say that one is too local. He said that is the reason why he make another carry Juju Ekwensu go anywhere. He say very local woman. He say himself no say a local woman. He said but he thought it was something they would do behind cameras. secret from his wife. But unfortunately, everything got exposed. Juju Ekwensu is not the kind of woman that he will take out to parties, to different places. Say no. Say Juju Ekwensu is not that kind of woman. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end though. They say if you see tears when this man they cry, when they talk of me Edochie matter. Behind camera, not before camera, behind camera. When they don't talk, they don't remove camera. They say you they cry. They cry. Now one of the woman can tell you say you don't need to cry. The evil way you do me Edochie, this your tears. This your tears not fit cleaner. You really did your wife dirty. You really did a lot of evil thing to that your wife. How you go on camera, woman where you claim say you love, say the things wey you do to her. You say was only trying to pay back. He was only trying to make her jealous. He was only trying to prepare her normal thing. When you go make your wife vex, go say, okay, I won't come back to you. He say, now what thing they do? Say, no, say the whole thing go backfire. Because he never believed, say, me Edochie go ever leave her. But he was surprised. Me Edochie carry her bag, she come out. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. What do you guys think about this you cry? Cry. He said no man will wish to miss a woman like me, Edochie. You tell they say forget the Odogu way in the Odogu. He said may they look his wife, may they look Juju Ekwensu. There is no comparison. He said just they try to make Juju Ekwensu feel. He said but there is no comparison. He said there is no comparison. He said see me Edochie shape, see me Edochie body. He said see me Edochie when she come out, when she speak. Everything about that woman is classic. He said when he deal with his wife, they go party together now. There is no party where they go invite and when you not see his wife. He and his wife, they go everywhere. His wife go from Lagos, they'll go Enugu, they'll go Onisha, they'll go Asaba, different places. They go they go for invitation. He said, but see Juju Ekwensu, even if they do something for Abuja, you know, carry Juju Ekwensu, go, you know, try her. He said, who will get a woman like me, Edochie, when you go wish to let her go like that? He said the pains is in his heart. It's just for me a Odogu, but deep inside him, he misses his wife. My people, wonder shall never end. What do you guys think? The people say me Juju Ekwensu just leave that marriage because you not talk anything good about her. In the camera, even after the camera, behind the cameras, waiting you talk about Juju Ekwensu now was pass. Say if she tired, she will go. She's not. He said they say you open mouth tell they say Juju Ekwensu not be his spec. He likes slim women. He said waiting make her marry a wife. When he met her, she was so slim. He likes slim women, not like fat. Say that Juju Ekwensu fat. Make her look disgusting. Hey, my people, wonder shall never end. Juju Ekwensu, they say may you carry your bag, go your papa house. They say may you carry your bag. That you you see for them, not send you again. He not love you at all. The man mind, they say it's still their wife body. What do you guys think? Hey, una sure say this una actor. Not be another movie go out for there. All this talk just to find pity. Or maybe true. You is saying the truth. How do we know? If you know, let us know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you.